Guys, it's me, Jose7 Cool again. And I'm here with my little cousin Anthony. We're doing a video on fidget spinners. Aren't these things cool? Right, Anthony?
Yep.
Test it. That's awesome. So this is our first one. It's the white, a normal white one with blue bearings on it. Let's see how test it. Oh, it spins awesome. I have 6 of them. And so this fidget spinner is awesome. This is the second one. It's a white fidget spinner.
Can I be in the video or something? No, you want in my video.
Ow.
Okay. So guys.
Shut up! Don't be in the video.
You are in my video.
So this is the white fidget spinner
Don't subscribe.
with the white bearing. Like the silver bearing. I mostly take these out because these things, take them out because it bothers a lot. So I'd rather spin it like that. This is my LED one. This is an LED fidget spinner. I love it. It's new from my uncle. This is my other one. A blue one, just like that one. Yeah. This one.
No.
It's just like this one. That one.